illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a fried egg character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our fried egg character. The first thing that we want to do is we want to draw the yolk. That's going to be the face of our fried egg. So that is a somewhat skewed circle here. And we want this egg to be pretty cute. So we're going to add 2 ovals for eyes. 1. And 2. We want 2 little pupils in here. And next we want to put some eyebrows on our character above the 2 ovals. 1 and 2. And our fried egg character is going to be happy, so we're going to put a little smile. And when we get to the coloring stage, we want to be able to have some color variation, so we're actually going to add a couple of sections that will create some highlights on our egg yolk here. So just a couple shapes there. And now we want to add the white part of our egg here. So to do this, we want to essentially think of this as the middle right here, and we want another circle to come around out here. But we don't want it to be a perfect circle, because when you fry an egg, you know, it's very rarely a perfect circle. So we want to have a few waves here, but we want to keep in mind that we want to stay about the same width away from the middle as we continue our way around our egg here. So this is a really fun free-form shape exercise as well. So there we have our egg white. And now we get to add some more of those areas that I was talking about that will set us up for some color success and break up this huge area. So I'm just going to go through and add a few spots around here. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our fried egg character. The next step that we get to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab some markers, crayons, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our fried egg character. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, everybody!